In fact, I am going to need all of your help. Now, to make it snow, we need to fill the air with the magic of Christmas!
Well, how do we do that?
All we need to do is sing!
Sing?
Yeah! And the louder we sing, the more it will snow!
Well, die komt zo kunnen nou.
That's not really easy, but what are we going to sing?
We wish you a Merry Christmas!
Okay, everyone, the words are going to be on the screen behind us. Are you all ready to sing along?
Yeah!
Oh, you have to be louder than that. Are you all ready to sing along? Then here we go!
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your King. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I know it's gonna snow. Oh, dear Father Christmas, I don't think it worked because I don't think we were loud enough.
Yes, I agree.
They are.
In fact, grown-ups, I don't think you were joining in.